In the new C-Class, remove the rear shelf. Start by moving the driver's and passenger seats all the way forward. Remove the seat cushion of the rear seat. It's just clipped. Move the seatbelt to the side and undo the screw for the side cover. Then slide it up and take it out. Remove the screw of the belt end. Carry out these steps on the other side too. Set the belt down at the top. Once you've folded down the rear seats, take off the edge protection of the C-pillar trim. Unclip the trim with a plastic wedge. Now you can undo and carefully remove the C-pillar trim. Thread the seatbelt through the opening. Next, remove these 3 spacers. Do this using a plastic wedge. On the passenger side, move up the foam covering of the cables and disconnect the electrical connectors. Unclip the retaining clip of the electrical cables. Continue in the trunk. Unscrew the screw of the towing eye bracket. Here you'll find a screw, right and left. Just loosen them, don't unscrew them all the way. Unlock the latches of the rear shelf and slide it forward a bit. For the removal of the rear shelf, get a colleague to help you. On the passenger side, pull the seat belt under the rear shelf and thread the cable harness under the trim. Remove the rear shelf carefully. Remove the metal clip. It's part of the towing eye. Our tip: screw the clip onto the holder. This way you just have to clip it in when installing. With that, the work is finished. Installation is in the reverse order.